Hello friends and welcome to my channel How To. Today we are showing to how to make a pocket square. A pocket square add an extra special touch to any wedding day look. These accessories, which look similar to handkerchiefs, are often worn folded and tucked into the breast pocket of a suit, jacket, tuxedo or blazer. From solid hues to bold patterns and prints, the pocket square creates an eye-catching pop of contrast that makes for a more memorable look. Plus, it provides an opportunity for the groom's personality to peek through. When Nick Jonas wed Priyanka Chopra, he showcased his classic style with the sleek and simple white pocket square. Whether you are hosting an intimate laid back beachfront ceremony or opulent black tie affair, pocket square are great for adding a touch of fun or elegance to any look and occasions. You can make very different styles of pocket squares. You can watch in our video. We share almost 12 different styles and ideas of making pocket square. You can find lots of budget friendly pieces through Nordstrom rack and ties. For darker hues, classic prints, and luxurious fabric, invest in timeless pieces from Ralph Lauren, Brooks Brothers, or Gucci. If you are seeking a light and relaxed fabric for a summer wedding, check out Vineyard Wine's classic selection. Friends, I hope you like all the design and styles you are watching today. Every suit needs a pocket square. In a sea of navy and grey gets up, it helps you stand out and actually have some personality with your style. They can get expensive, though a nice one can set you back anywhere from $10 to $30. Isn't it just a piece of fabric? Indeed, it is. Which is why you can make your own handsome pocket square for a fraction of that. There are few methods to go about DIYing this accessory, but they all accomplish the same thing, which is really just creating a hem on all four sides of the fabric. After first attempting multiple methods for the purpose of this video, I came to conclusion that there would be a just one method I would recommend it here. Hem tape. Many crafters and home tailors consider this stuff a modern miracle. It is called tape, but the variety I use is not actually sticky at all. It is basically a roll of tape looking glue which bonds with fabric when ironed. Hem tape is truly the way to go whether you need a new accessory for a business pitch or a fun and unique gift for a friend or family member. You can make your own pocket square at home and style it in much more different ways. So friend, if you like this video and different techniques and different styles of pocket square, do like and subscribe our channel and comment in the comment section where are you from. There are some very easy and very cool methods to make a pocket square for your suit to look more stylish and more handsome. You can see you just need a square piece of fabric or a handkerchief. Fold it in different ways. Make a very beautiful and very stylish pattern. As you can watch, fold it in different sides and make a very beautiful and very simple pattern for your suit. This is a gray handkerchief with white hemming or simple applique or overlock. You can make this kind of handkerchief or pocket square and design or style your suit in very stylish way. This is another idea of making very simple and very easy pocket square. Just fold it in 4 different ways. Make another fold, turn it out and make another fold, and that's it. So friend, you can place this pocket square in very different ways, and I hope you will like all the styles and designs you are watching today in this video. You can ask any question and any kind of style or styling idea in our comment section. We will try to answer your all questions, and hopefully we will make very different kind of videos about how to make a pocket square, or how to tie a tie, how to tie your shoelaces, and much more. So friends, I hope you will like all this style and designs of pocket squares. So hopefully you do subscribe our channel and like our video. In the last idea, we are adding a different kind of video of tie a trousers laces.